So hello, what's up everyone? This is Gene. Today we are going to talk about this new product called the WP Master Developer Code Editor for WordPress. Basically, this product will help you create easily WordPress plugins, add-ons, and themes. Now, the good thing about this product is that even if you don't have the knowledge in programming, once you avail and purchase this product, there is already a training course provided, a step-by-step series of trainings on how to code and develop your WordPress sites. And WordPress sites is basically the trend today, especially on developing business sites. So this product runs on Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, and 10, and on Mac computers with the Windows emulator in place. Now, there are 7 new built-in tools for rapid WordPress development that is also included in this product. So as you can see, we have the templates, IntelliLens, autocomplete, auto-popping WordPress functions, auto-popping WordPress function parameter list, ready-to-use WordPress solutions, instant help, and on over 2,500 plus WordPress functions, easy project reuse, head start, all for all of your new projects. Now, basically, when you buy this product, you will receive a following also. You will receive bonuses, and this product is ideal for people who want an easy hands-on way on learning programming, who wants to make a living in multi-billion-dollar software industry, who wants to create WordPress plugins that people need and buy, want to do programming as a hobby, want their web pages to stand away above the competition, to create standalone applications, components, or libraries, and want to customize the way their Office and other top-level applications work. So the good thing is that if you feel like you're wasting money for expensive coders that won't deliver, especially if you hire developers that won't meet your specification in needs, and if you feel like you're struggling to make money online, and if you feel like you're wasting time, then surely this product will help you, because it will not only train you on how to code, but it will also help you on how to make money online with this training course and business tips. So basically, you can avail this product for only $17. That's right, it is just $17. But please don't delay, because the price will really increase. So I think it is better if you buy it now or buy it as soon as you can. So basically, you can get your software today for only $17. In the next part of this video, Dr. Alex, the developer of this software, will explain to you what are the important features of this software and what are the benefits once you will get it. It will also explain to you and will inspire you to become a good programmer, even if you don't have the idea yet on how to code.
Hi, Alex here, and it's terrific that you want to learn programming. It's such an important skill to have today when everyone is using computers. It helps you to have this skill no matter what your job is, and if you do programming for a living like I do, all it takes is one good application or a WordPress plugin or a theme to make it in this industry. Now, this is what I call capital return for a small investment in terms of your money. Now in this course, you gained a rock-solid programming foundation in just 2 weeks. Not only will you learn how to program, but at the end of the course, as a special project, you will be designing your own teleprompter, which is such a handy piece of software whenever you create a video for your website. I'll go on a limb here and tell you that the best language in the world to learn programming is JavaScript. I've been in this industry for over 25 years, and I've been programming in C, C++, Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, and perhaps 10 more languages. JavaScript is by far the best choice. Why? Because it's simple and powerful, it is interpretive, and does not require a compiler or a linker. At the same time, it's so versatile. It's the background that gives your web pages life and interactivity. You can use it to customize the other applications that you use as a word processor or a spreadsheet program. You can also create standalone programs and even components and libraries to be used by other programming languages. Power and simplicity. It's an ideal language to learn how to program. Well, let me tell you what exactly are you getting as part of this course. In the first section, you're setting your programming environment and getting your first taste of JavaScript by creating your first program. And let me tell you, it's an exciting moment. In the next section, you dive straight into the building blocks of JavaScript. Variables, statements, data types, and everything else that you need to build your program from the ground up. There is lots to learn, but everything is divided into chunks that are easy to master. The section 3 is all about directing the program flow. You are in the driver's seat, arming yourself with the constructs that you need to tell the program how to do what you want it to do. When you start the section 4, you're no longer a beginner. It's time for the arrays, objects, and the advanced topics. In the section 5, you apply your newly mastered skills to add JavaScript to your web pages. This is the moment when you turn the theory into practice. The section 6 is pure fun as you dive into animating and you program the text and images to move around the screen and you learn how to sequence the events on a page. I mean, you will enjoy it, but it's not just fun. Animating is a great way to illustrate processes or to make everything look more alive. And let me tell you, I'm a little bit envious of you. When I saw for the first time something that was moving on the screen because I programmed it to do so, it was a wow moment for me. It was years ago. I was a kid and I had this tiny little Sinclair Spectrum 48 kilobyte computer with a rubber keyboard. Well, just look at the computers that you and I have today, so much more advanced. But since that day, I've been hooked and I'm truly passionate about programming. So I know how you are going to feel when you create something from scratch that other people use and appreciate. It's a great feeling to have. The section 7 is your special project. In this project, you design your own teleprompter, which comes super handy every time that you need to shoot a video for your website. And it teaches you how to capture the mouse and the keyboard input and to respond to different events. It's a very practical project. In the last section, it's time to take stock, reflect on what you have learned, and enjoy your accomplishment. Also, it's time for your special bonus, and you will love it. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but it's something that you use to bring your knowledge to an even higher level through self-study. By the way, all the lectures are built on the principles that I've learned when I was doing my PhD in computer science on the topic of adaptive tutoring systems. So you can trust me to make the lectures as easy as possible for you, and I'll be with you every step of the way to answer your questions and to give you even more through web conferencing. You can approach all the lessons in 2 ways. The first one is Code Along, which I highly recommend. Look over my shoulder with your code editor in front of you and write the code as you go through the lesson. This takes a little bit more time, but you learn a lot, you gain confidence by doing, and you retain more knowledge. Alternatively, copy, paste, and run the code examples discussed in the videos directly from the course download. You go through the course a lot faster this way, but you may have to go back to a lesson or two just to reinforce your knowledge. Either way, you get to experiment by changing the code, by adding your own, and running it to check the end result. Programming is a greatly creative activity, so have fun and enjoy it. Your next step, sign up for the course, happy coding, and let's get right into it.
I hope you enjoy watching it. Thanks. This is Gene signing off.